Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So we'll be making a dog. So draw the ears, eyes, nose and mouth of the dog. Now make a tail on the back, make its neck band like this, make a bell. Now we'll be completing its legs like this. Now make a cute tail on the back and then color it as per your choice. Draw a letter or digit 9 you can see and then make its ears. Now make its legs like this. Now join it and make the tail on the back. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth. You can make the hairs on her mouth like this. Now we'll be making some patterns on its body using brown marker. Next we'll be making a crab. So first we'll be making the body of the crab, then make its legs or fingers like this. Now draw the lines on the sides or semicircular shapes. Now make its eyes and then we'll be coloring it using red color. Next write a letter or digit 5. Now draw the lines to join it. Now we'll be making its eyes, fins and its sharp teeth like this. Make its tail on the back, make the fins like this, color it and it's done. Next we'll be making a cute bunny. So write a digit 8 as shown in the video. In the same manner, write two 8s together. Now join them with the circular lines. Now after drawing the lines like this, we'll be making a heart in the between and complete it. Now make its face on the top. Now we'll be drawing its ears like this. Now after that, we'll be making its eyes, nose and mouth. Now after that, take the pink color and then we'll be coloring it like this. Now you can fill the red color in the between in the heart and your bunny will be ready. I hope you liked it. So make its ears like this. Now make its hands or legs you can say in the front. Now join it like this. Now after that make a tail on the back. Now you can make its eyes like this, make its nose, mouth and then you can color it. Next we'll be taking an orange color and then write a letter P and then draw the lines like this. Color it using orange color like this. So here we're making a dinosaur. Make its legs like this and your dinosaur will be ready. Don't forget to make its sharp teeth in the front. Make its eyes using black marker. Make the thorns on the back like this using yellow marker. Draw the patterns over its body and it's ready. Next we'll be making the fish. First one, draw the lines like this, make the patterns in its body, make its eyes. Now second one we'll be making an oval shaped fish. So draw its eyes like this, make the brown and black color patterns. Now make the triangle to make a fish like this. Now on the fourth one using a semicircular shape we'll be making a shark. So draw its teeth, make the patterns and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.